Hey everybody, it's Mark Everenden, Ever Real Estate, Century 21 Bamber. I thought it was supposed to be summer, spring. Look at the amount of snow, which is great. It's typical March in the Calgary area. We're located at 158 Gleneagles View, right on the ridge. Unbelievable views of the valley, mountains, great sunlight, again, south facing. We have a house that's over 4,300 square feet of living quarters, 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and updated throughout. So let's go start our tour. As you enter the home, as you can see, nice open concept, beautifully laid out, gorgeous staircasing. You've got an amazing main level with a formal living room, dining room, living area overlooking the valley. A huge washer and dryer area, laundry room, which is fantastic, as well as a separate office. What an amazing layout. You come from your formal dining room into this amazing, completely redone kitchen, massive island, super to entertain, overlooks your living room. But then when you step to the back here, what an amazing view. You've got the golf course, the Bow River, and the mountains. Amazing scenery. As you're coming up to your upper level, you'll notice the hardwood is still throughout. You have 4 bedrooms up here, 2 bathrooms, an amazing primary, and this ensuite to die for. As you enter the lower level, you'll love the design. You've got 2 additional bedrooms, fully renovated bathroom with a urinal for the gentleman of the house. They've completely redone this area as well. New paint, new carpet, but the other nice element is it has in-slab heating, so it's both economical, especially in the winter, it's nice and warm, and again, you're capturing this amazing valley view. So we have this amazing yard that takes you right onto the walking trails. Here we are on the deck, unbelievable, right off your entertaining area, kitchen that's been completely redone, gorgeous backyard, walk out onto the valley, you've got the Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park, you've got the Bow River, you've got the mountain views. It is really set. Thanks for joining the tour today. This house is amazing for a smaller family or larger family, supporting your square footage, lots of space, and what a way to entertain and have amazing views. So give me a call directly at 403-829-3776. I do look forward to your call. And I did dress for the golf season. It is coming.